Good morning, everyone.
Did you take your profit, King?
Man, I woke up to the 221.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah. Wait for NYC here. Damn, internet must be tripping today. Oh no. We got 20 more minutes to NYC. Hey, Atopia. Today has to be a W 100%. I agree. Oh, let me update that Asia session trade. Asia session. Um, Man, that Asia session took forever. It took the whole Asia session and London session for it to hit 2 to 1. That's crazy.
WIZ.
I'll be looking to short this right now, even with this aggressive buying. Looking at the 1 hour here, we even failed to break the minor range high. Here we get to the 1 hour range high and the weekly candle high, previous weekly candle high. We are reacting to the 30-minute supply. See what happens once NYSE opens. I expect it to go up as well, Atovia, but we still got to break and close above 43.69 strongly. Right now we have not. And if he fails to break and close above the 1 hour minor range, then we could come all the way back down to this low, because it could not break the major high of this range on the 5 minute that created the low. So we'll see.
That Asia session, bro. Oh my god. Took forever.
Yep, we did.
What do you think about sales here, King?
I'm thinking of it, but I just want to wait for NYSE.
Mm-hmm.
So by that Asia session trade, you only go 1-to-1. Hey,
I got like I got like 150 pips out of it.
oh damn, just 10 ticks to the final tick.
Yeah. I managed to hold a lot of it, but then I fell asleep just like what, and because I was in drawdown for ages during Asia session, and I woke up in and like 80 pips of profit. So I went break even, and then it tanked.
But I was still awake when it did this again. And then I finally went to sleep when
Yeah.
this candle started breaking this low. That was when I went to sleep. And then when I woke up,
Yeah.
I
Okay.
saw the notification that it got to 2 to 1 at 7:08 a.m. I'm like, damn. Since last night?
Damn. Beautiful. Yeah, man. It was actually it was in drawdown for ages, and then it went back to entry, and yeah, that was it.
Yeah.
It was beautiful. In fact, actually during London, it got a little bit stressful. I think it might have been this candle, maybe.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so you were
No,
like,
it just
man,
sort of.
this is not looking good.
Oh man, I was like, man, I've been in this for 4 hours. You're gonna stop me out? And then it just reversed. I was worried because I didn't see you send the notification to Discord, so I thought, oh shit, King's missed it and CPI happened, and then it's gone away to stop loss.
I was asleep. I didn't wake up this morning until 7:30.
Oh, okay, but yeah, a good thing you had your take profits on.
Yeah.
Because man, that CPI wrecked it.
Yeah. Good thing it hit 2 to 1 before CPI did it.
Yeah.
There's a chance this might fall. Because I don't trust NYSE traders like I used to, so I would just rather wait for them before I take a trade. December, gotta be careful of those dudes.
Stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know, but some things never change.
Even the 15-minute could not close above this high 43.69. 30 1 hour. See what happens in 8 minutes.
Yeah, I think I wouldn't even be mad if it did poke up a little bit higher and then dropped, because I don't trust buyers around here until like above 88, 85. It's such a strong, such a strong area.
I would trust buys lower or
Yes,
above the weekly candle high, previous weekly candle high.
Yeah. If you think about the range that we're in at the moment, it's like 43.88 to 43.45, maybe even lower, 43.33. So yeah, buys lower, but definitely not up here.
On the 1 hour, this is a big range. The range is actually from this support 42.86 to the previous weekly candle high. Every other high and lows are minor lows, minor highs. But each time frame would have its own major high and major low. Yeah, we should fall. Oh, we're gonna wait for NYSE. Wait for NYSE to possibly pull this back, and then we have a continuation. Pretty much went all the way back up to the origin of this downtrend move. Excuse my drawing. Five more minutes, guys, for NYSE open. Be right back.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
There's a view that oh damn it. Give me a second. Music just stopped.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you hold.
There's a view that was not here on, today is what, Thursday. on Tuesday. I will be streaming tomorrow, not on this channel. It's gonna be my other channel. Pretty much is a new channel. So that's where I'm gonna be tomorrow. So you can subscribe to that channel as well.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's
My favor and like the stream as you guys are helping on. It helps the channel. So NYC is about to open. Get ready, guys. Yep, NYC just opened. Having this down. Now we need NYC to pretty much pull back here at least. Here at least, and then we can look to short this. We might get a pullback, we might not. The reason why I'm saying we might not get a pullback is because our first range is this high and we did not pretty much close above it on a higher time frame. And maybe we will. Especially now that this high has not been able to break this low here. So it's better for us to see a rejection at the same supply that held. And then maybe we can probably short this.
This is, for those new to the channel, this is where King's advice is so key, because how many people were sat there wanting to FOMO into a sell, but just that experience of knowing what New York Open can do, you're saving yourself a lot of pain right now. No need to FOMO.
That is true. Don't you dare stop now. Just not there yet, man. Wait a minute. All right. See what the next candle is going to do. We're either going to have to wait for the next candle to close, or you wait for that. Depending on how this candle closes, you might have to wait for a top wick. If we're going to get in on the next candle, we might have to wait for a top wick. Yeah, because it's like this, we're definitely gonna need a top wick and the next candle. Hmm.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Yeah, there we go. It's gone.
Ah, damn it, really?
Just NY just wanted to sell a little bit higher.
Come on now. Come on, NY, don't do it just yet. Ah, well, we'll see. Ah, it's gone. Well, if we keep dropping here, we wait and see how we react at this demand. I would like to see this come all the way back down to this demand. I will see how we react from there. If you take a look at this low at 43.50, right? The low at 43.50, we did close below it here on the lower time frame. This is the 5-minute time frame. Now, if we go to the 15, we closed below. 30, we did not. 1 hour, we did not, of course. Now, what that tells me is that, okay, we came down and we could not close below a low, and then we could not close below a previous minor low that broke a minor high. Looking at this on the 1 hour time frame at 43.52.5, and on the 1 hour we could not close below that either. So what that tells me is that there is a chance we could continue higher, but the fact that we are rejecting this 30-minute supply, which is also a previous high that created this low here, so we pretty much back up there, and the minor high right here, we failed to break it. Looking at this on the 15-minute, so we should come all the way back down to this low, and there's a high chance that low could hold, and we can look to take buys from there because we could not close below. So we're just trading in a range. Gold is not trending right now. I don't think it's trended since Tuesday. Yeah, I think we've been in a range since Tuesday. Asia session, I believe. This is a setup I have for someone else, but the way I found a different trader, but the way I trade, yeah, it's not a good setup for me. I was looking for just 20 ticks, yeah, and something like this I will take because we had a retest there. The way we closed at this low, I'm quite surprised that we did not at least break this high. Mm-mm-mm.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun.
Come on down to the 15-minute demand, buddy.
To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Superhero. Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me.
Bam, straight down.
From the enemy. You're superhero. You're superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero?
Just waiting to see how we're gonna react to this demand.
Oh man, what a drop.
Oh, damn. Wow. Okay. This demand here is gone. Definitely gonna do eventually. Yeah. All right, let's see how we react to this 1 hour demand. 5 minute that's taken out is low. 10 took it out. 30 is still going. And 1 hour still going, of course. Anyway, see, they were kind today.
Yeah, man, that's crazy.
See what happens at the top of the hour. We got 12 more minutes. Waiting to see how, since every other time frames will be closing pretty much in 11 minutes. I would like to see how they close. We got what we wanted from the. I mean, we didn't quite get what we wanted from the highs. We just needed one more, one more bullish candle here, or even a bearish candle flip. That would have been enough, and we would have been part of this sell. But this one candle was not enough for me. We do not close below this low. That would be very, very interesting because that means we're still going to be in this range. Turn this down. So we got 8 more minutes here. If this bullish candle closes like this, then 30 and the 1 hour will not be closing below, and we could get some type of wick fill in the next candle and a rejection to continue to the upside. So that is what I will be waiting for here. It should be slowing down now. Right, see this 5 minute demand here. See how we react there. Since the 5 minute also barely closed below this low, 15 also 30 minute is still running, and it's gonna close rejecting, of course. If we come down and if we do have a, I don't know how far this is going to go. Maybe we are going to go towards this 5 minute supply here. Now, if we do reject from there, we wait for this because this high did not break this low. Wait for this. And if we do retest here, this low should push this to the upside and break this high. But that's what I would be expecting to see. Because if we are going to go lower from this high, then this should, even though we did not close below here on the higher time frame, this could just create a lower high and maybe do something like this, and then we break this low. Now, what I am going to do is, if we create a high here on the 5 and it comes down and creates a minor low here, and then if that low is unable to break the highs that it created, right, there's a chance this could continue down, even with the fact that we did not break the low. We grabbed the low, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think this is going to go higher because should have at least closed below strongly. Even on the 5, at least one more 5 minute bearish candle closure. Yeah, 4 hour, 1 hour taking liquidity. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It should go up. At this point, I'm not expecting it to fall. I'm expecting it to break this high. Just waiting for possible pullback here before we continue, which I think we are going to get, because I mean, they need to fake in the sellers and then just reject this demand, and then we demolish them above. Because there will be a lot of retail traders waiting for sales, at least at this 5 minute supply. If we had a BOS at this minor high from the 1 hour, if we had a BOS there, and then even though we set up like this, I would have taken the buys on this candle. But since it did not break the high, you need to wait for more confirmation. All right, so as we can see, 30 did not close below. We could come down just to fill this week a little bit. Oh, and also, if this does continue going up, if it does continue up and we reject here, I'm gonna need this because we could not break the high, we could not break the low. I'm gonna need more another retest, then I'll take the sell coming back down. This time we should break the lows. That's for sales because we're in a range. We're not just going one way here. We're not breaking highs that needs to be broken, and we're not breaking lows that needs to be broken. Is it safer going sales in USD JPY? Francisco, you know I don't trade Forex anymore. I had a very, very spicy jollof rice yesterday. Man, and it's freaking affecting my tummy. Oh boy. Yeah, I'll be right back. I gotta go. I gotta go use the restroom. So you guys understand what I said earlier for buys or sells. That's what we're going to do. So I'll be right back. Hmm. Uh, the tune. Let me change it. Let's focus on that. I did not even hear that song. Mm.
Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, you was built to last. Yeah.
Food is actually very volatile today. This move is like 300 ticks.
Something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
You've only taken 4 trades this week. 3 wins, 1 loss. And that loss was during New York. We got 45 people watching. Can we get at least 25 to 30 likes? No, we've not taken a setup yet. But patience pays. So I'm going to explain to you guys again what we are looking for buys and of course for sales in this range right now. Now for buys, obviously we need this. Now for sales, 2 scenarios here for sales. For sales, and that's because we did not, said it earlier, we did not close below this low, especially on the 30 1 hour. 15 did close below it, but it's not a good closure, but we did close below it. 5, of course, the same. Now for sales, I need us to go back and reject this same 30-minute supply that rejected. We come down this and we take. Now currently we are pretty much rejecting the 15-minute supply. Okay, that is where we are rejecting right now. Now what I would like to see, and once again, this is because of the fact that we did not close below this low. That's why it would be fair that we get back up to that 30-minute supply. Now, since we reacted to the 15-minute supply instead, now I need this. We come down. Now, if we do come down and we create a support in between these gaps, right? And we create a support, meaning we created a low, and the low fails to break this high, pretty much rejecting this same 15-minute supply. That is when I am going to short this. If that happens, I would expect us to continue down and break this low. right? Because there will be no reason for it to give that setup and not break the lows. Even if we get to the low and we reject, we will have this. It should continue to the downside. But for now, I am waiting for buys. For now. If we at least had a clean closure here at the 30-minute supply, I would at least use that supply. The one that's rejecting right now, I will take the sales right away off the rip. Probably one of this candle will be my entry. This or the second one, the previous one that just closed. I don't get what I'm looking for, then there will be no trade. And all the time, if you can just open your eyes, the market would actually tell you what it's trying to do before it makes the move. All right, this is the possible low that I was talking about here. Let's see if we are going to break this high. For now, I am going to delete this demand here. It does not confuse you guys. And we're gonna go back to this 15-minute supply. Right there. Ooh. Ooh. Man. Okay. That is looking like it's going to be at least 150 ticks if we do. We have what we need for possible sales, but are we going to break this high? So for now, I am going to have a pending order at 43.55.8, just below that candle.
Order working.
As I'm not going to see it on here because I'm not trading on this account for this session. I already traded on this account during Asia. So I'm trading on a different one. Yeah, come on. So over here is where the possible sales is going to be. I might move the entry depending on how this current bullish candle closes. Mhm. Mhm. That's just you. 20 if it holds. All right, this candle is about to close.
Order cancelled. Order working.
43.58.2 for 120. Three 43s. 60. $360.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done. Girls with their
Okay, it didn't hold that low. It's breaking the high, this minor high. So up onto the 30-minute supply at this point. Just they grabbed it and went on. Going to 5-minute. Yeah, at this point, just get back to that 30-minute and let's see. Yeah.
Order cancelled.
If we continue higher here, that would be uh, my stream for today, and I'll be on my other channel tomorrow, and hopefully we'll catch a trade. But we might break this high because we're to break this low. I'm still surprised that we did not get a pullback on the lower time frame based on how the previous 1 hour candle closed. Remember, you don't have to trade every day. If there's no setup, then there's no setup. Even if the market ends up doing what you anticipated, as long as you were not scared of taking the trade. If you're scared of taking the trade, then that's another issue entirely. All these baby songs, you know?
And I would not be surprised if this breaks it finally.
Yeah. And if it holds, I'm not jumping in right away because it did not break it low, so gonna have to calm down and pull back, then I will take. Sales, yep, possibly Dex, possibly, but not yet for me, not yet. We're trading a range. It's not like we are trending, so I need extra confirmation. If we were trending, that means breaking lows or breaking highs. Then I can get in above or below the previous candle, or above a minor resistance or below a minor resistance on my entry time frame. But we are not doing that. We are in a range. We almost got what we wanted here for this sales previously, which was this candle. Just needed one more bullish candle. One more. But it just came straight down. So there's nothing I can do about that. And right now, for me to even consider sales right now from this high, this current 15-minute demand, because this current 15-minute demand is still running, but we might have a 15-minute demand here. So, minute, I'm gonna need price to at least come down and reject there, or at least the 5-minute demand. Now, if we reject the 5-minute demand, I'm gonna need this. If we now reject here again, then I am going to take it, anticipating that we're going to break this minor low, because this low I failed to break this high to the left anyways. So then I will take a sell. But for now, I'm staying away.
Were you doing Asia tonight, King?
Of course.
Of course, of course.
I hope that makes sense to you, Dex.
Oh man, don't go again without us. Jesus.
Now that was the 3-minute time frame.
Okay.
It's bound to reject the high. The question is it going to continue down?
Yeah.
To be honest, I do not see it falling. Like I said, because of how we closed at the lows, 30-minute and the 1 hour, I do not see this falling. However, it could be wrong because we are in a range. It could decide to stay inside this range. So, with that being said, if I'm going to sell it, I need more confirmations, which I do not have. I have one confirmation, which is the rejection, but that's not enough. It's not enough. You're welcome, Dex. On the 15, we got possible gaps to fill to the downside. On the 5, I am going to wait for this. If it gives it, fine. If it does not, it is what it is. I ain't got to trade every day. As a trader, you always need to have a setup for your entries. If you do not have a setup, you're still taking trades blindly. When you get to that point, you will notice that there will be days where you just can't take a trade because the market was either ranging, so you have no setup, or the market just kept on going and going and going and going and going. Then you didn't have a setup. When we were looking for the sales here earlier, I kind of figured that it's going to go up because if you look at this bearish candle, right, from the bottom wick to the top wick. Now, I want you to pay attention to the bottom wicks of each candles. Now, the next candle, what did it do? The body did not close below the previous bottom wick candle. Now look at the next one. This candle here did not close below the previous candle. So I'm like, this might not come down. But let's see. I could be wrong because usually when you have candles like this that kept on failing to close below the previous candle, then there's a chance that price could go the other way. But right now, at this high, this bullish candle that first rejected, the bearish candle did not close below. Now this current candle, let's see how it goes. Now I'm going to need this current candle or whatever candle to at least close below the bottom wick of this candle. Then we can wait for this and then we take. So that's what I would like to see. What happened here just shows that the sellers are weak. Remember guys, tomorrow I'm going to be in my other channel, the new channel. So the link is I pinned the link in the comment, in the chat I mean. So if you wanna catch me tomorrow, I'll be on that channel. And then Monday, we'll be back to this. Tuesday, the other channel. Tuesday is going to be my last day of trading for this year. I'll be done trading for the year on Tuesday. And then I'll be back January 5. I don't like to trade the first week of January I preferred at least the second week. Even if gold gives the setup that I am looking for at this high, probably gonna happen late. Or maybe not. I would like to see gold reject this 5 minute demand at least. Damn, gotta use the restroom again. Damn, that spicy jollof rice is killing me. Whoa. Well, you see, this is exactly what I was saying. This is how they deceive retail traders to think we are going to fall from the highs. So you need extra confirmation. Now look at that. Broke the highs. So that's it for me today, guys. So I'll be on my other channel tomorrow, streaming tomorrow. So if you want that, the link is in the description. I also pinned it in the chat. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Hopefully we do catch a winning trade tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. God bless. Peace. I'm out. All right, Zoom. I will see you guys tonight for Asia session.